Hello guys, it's Darth Gaming. Today I'm going to be unboxing another crate. So let's go in inventory, just one crate, and let's do it. So let's see. Wait for it. Alright, that's all I got. Hello guys. Alright, this is me, and I'm going to be playing a little bit of Rocket League. You know what? I'll probably just cancel the search and not I'll do 3v3 and let's do hoops. Let's find a match in hoops because I haven't shown you guys basketball yet. And yeah, let's go in. Hey guys, I'm here. Let's do this. God damn it. What am... Alright, never mind. Oh, that's a cool little boost you can get. Fuck's sakes, I missed that. Hoops is actually hard. Can't believe it. Ah, piss. Fuck. You need to do like some sort of cool little wall thing to oh shit. It's also hard to save. Yeah, it's quite a hard mode, I admit. I've just been playing soccer. Uh-oh. Yeah, they're gonna win. I'm new to this. Oh shit. Ah, piss. I got blown up. Ah, what? Oh, do I have to do like a little area or something? What the? I call that cheats. That was bullshit. That kind of went a bit too fast, like that. Alright. I'm just new to this, so better not have a cheater. I scored my own goal. This is sad. This is really horrible. What am I versing? Oh, alright. Have it. Does basketball really only come in oh fuck. Yeah. Fuck. Fuck. Oh yeah. First goal ever. Fuck yeah. God damn it. Fucked it up. Fuck. Oh, that guy did a lovely little block. Fuck no. I tried to pull shot him in there. I think that, yeah, yep. Yeah, this is going to go pretty horribly. Oh shit, come on. You're kidding me. Oh yeah, my teammate did a nice score. Of course in the first game we lose, but that's like the first game ever. Let's do this. Fuck! We lost, but still, that's the first game. Alright, I got a new crate. I am going to put. Alright, I'm gonna use key. Let's see what I get. I'm closing my eyes. I'm gonna open them when they stop. Alright. Oh, I got some shitty eye paint. Oh, fuck's sakes. We learn better after. Oh god, that's disgusting. We learn better after like our first game. So let's see if we can do like a second game, because this will be interesting. Since I learnt what it is about, like how to get it in the goal, which is basically around the wall, or you can hit an aerial up high, then yeah. Look. Oh, well. Still trying to work out how I can get it in there. It's hard game mode. Ooh. I don't know why it just goes higher. I think it's to stop like people to score easily. You need to learn aerials to score, apparently, in this game. Oh, oh shit. Oh yeah. Oh shoot, that was bad. Was that my teammate? All right. I don't know how to do those fancy little backward flip things. Pretty new. Oh, I saved it. Oh no! Oh, they've been playing this mode, haven't they? All right, he says he's got it. Nope, he hasn't got it. I look like I might have a chance. Nope. That's just some dumb. That was some dumb little thingy bobs. Yeah. This looks. Fuck. Fucking basketball. No, god damn it. I wanted to get it in there so badly. Holy shit! Oh shit, the rim is a dick. Ah. Nice. Fucking the rim is such a dick. It's in normal basketball as well, the rim. So I guess they do have pretty much all the features of basketball. Wow, and I get it in. So I guess I'm not complete. So I guess I'm not hopeless at this game. It's 1-1. Let's let him try it. He keeps on saying he gets it. Obviously obviously he knows what he's doing. I hope. All right. Oh, that looks like it's gonna get in. Holy shit! Another goal. Oh wow. He keeps on saying he's got it. All right. Doing a beautiful hit. Oh god damn it. Yeah, boy, youch. Ah, fudge. Oh, my teammate scored it. Oh, fucking nice shot. I'm gonna say it. Oh, piss. All right, he's got another goal. Fucking a first shot, man. Oh my god! What the fuck is this? Oh my god, this is so good. Uh, oh my god. Oh man. Oh guys, I gotta piece it out to you. Man, I never had, man, this game mode's amazing. You should all play it. I kind of wish there was more maps on this because I heard there was only one. So this is this episode. I'll piece it out to you guys. Let's unbox another crate. Yep. Yeah, let's do this. Use key. Yes. Last key ever. Let's make sure we get something amazing. Yay.